Hello, I'm going to show you guys quickly how I do my impressions using my SmileBox from Straight Teeth Direct. I saw them on the tube, an advert, and I thought too good to be true. Half the price payment for braces, but it actually is true. It's really not hard. It shows you exactly what to do, how long you have to do it, and it's really straightforward. So you get your two putties here and you're going to mix them together. Here are my impressions. They do installments, they do lump sum. It's literally a fraction of the price. It's like £1,300 for braces. They get delivered to you. It's all online. The app, the people that answer the app are great, and I'd really recommend Straight Teeth Direct just to start your straight teeth journey. I can't wait to start mine.